Before going to the in-detail study of value methodology, which includes value analysis, value planning, value engineering, so friends, you must clear what is the meaning of value and function, what are their relationship. Friends, value in the field of this value investigation, value refers to economic value, which itself can be subdivided into four types, such as use value, esteem value, cost value, exchange value. These are the four types in detail study one by one. Use value is the measure of properties, qualities, and features which make the product accomplish, use, work, or service, or it may also be called as a functional value. It considers the work done, functions performed, or services rendered by a product or component. It is a measure properties, qualities, features which make product accomplish to use, work, or service. Use value is a fundamental form of economic value. An item without use value can have neither exchange value nor esteem value. See, this is the exchange value and esteem value. So, use value is very important. Next is the esteem value. Esteem value, see, which it is having properties which make the ownership of product or object very desirable. It is the measure of properties, features, attractiveness, qualities, fancy packaging, etc., which increases sale appeal or which attracts person, creates in them a desire to purchase the product. Suppose I want to purchase Mercedes car, that is the esteem value of Mercedes car is more than the any other cars. So that is the esteem value. Esteem value therefore is the price paid by the customer or the cost incurred by the manufacturer beyond the use value. Use value is up to the medium value, but the some products are having more cost, but that will be yes esteem value. So friends, next is the cost value. So cost value is the measure of sum of all the cost incurred in producing the product. The cost value therefore is the sum of raw material cost, labor cost, tool cost, overheads, expenses to produce the product. So product cost formula for understanding purpose, direct labor plus direct material plus factory overheads. Okay. In financial videos, we can see in detail what are the how to calculate the product cost. So friends, the product cost value also important. It is a measure of sum of all the costs incurred in the producing the product, okay, or giving the service. Next will be the exchange value. Exchange value is having properties that it will make the object or product possible of being trades for other items. Means what? Product is said to possesses exchange value if the same can be exchanged for another product or money. That means what? Because of its quality and usefulness, the other product is having same value and the customer will exchange their product. Okay, so that will be the exchange value. Or conventional sense, exchange value refer to the price that customer will offer for the product. The price being dependent upon satisfaction means value, which derives from the product. That is the exchange value. Therefore, one can say value is the most cost-effective way to reliable accomplish a function meeting the user's needs, desires, and expectations. So, friends, these are the types of values. It is apparent use value already was studied is objective. This is a very main value we have to study for a purpose. In almost everything we buy, we relate to what we have paid for in terms of performance or reliability of product or appearance of the product or etc. So then we can buy. Any customer when we buy according to these 3 points. Okay. Hence here the use value is the objective considered first, and we can collectively term this as functions. So these functions are connected with the value. How? This is the formula. We can mathematically relate the value and function. The value is equal to function upon cost. See, value is directly proportional to function and inversely proportional to cost. So value is the function and cost. By cost, we mean the total cost. Example, material, labor, overhead, already studied. Is required to produce the product or article or give the service. So if we keep the function constant, we see that we get greater value. Function is constant, also we'll get the greater value. When our costs come down, when costs come down, function is same, value is increase. So that is also one of the way. Or value can be increased. How many ways? First, when we reduce the cost, when we reduce the cost, value will be increased. When we improve the function, also value also improve because it's directly proportional. Or by one or two way together, increase the function and reduce the cost. Both together also increase the value. When the increase in function by a disproportionately low increase in cost means cost is same but increase in a function that also disproportionately low increase in the cost. That is also what is the function where detailed study of value but function is there. Then what is the meaning of function? Types of function. It is the use of value of a product, its functionality, utility, how it is utilized by the customer. Poor value may result from lack of understanding of functions. That is important. When we understand the function or an imposition of unnecessary functions, we have to reduce the unnecessary function and what is the is basic function and primary function. There are two types of the functions. Basic function is the primary function purpose of product that will be useful to customer. That is very important. That functions are two types: basic function and secondary function. The secondary function other purposes not directly contributing to the primary function purpose but supporting it or resulting from a specific design approach. We'll see in also case study. Okay, that is the approach. First approach we are studying in the video 2. The functions are correlated with the cost, with their worth. Okay. Most of the times what will happen, attempt is made to define functions with only two words, verb and noun. These are very important for the any product. With the verb and noun we can define the function. It makes definitely pretty sharp. It introduces an element of rationality into exercise by trimming the frills. So we have to make a pretty sharp your mind, and to achieve this goal, we have to what to do? We have to study the functions. Suppose some example I will give you familiar with the how to define the functions. Suppose this is the cup, hold the tea. What is the your product? This is the cup. Okay, this is the dish here. What the function here? Hold the tea. This is a simple example. This is the bulb. What is the purpose of function of this bulb? Emit light. Okay. Then this is the lighter. What is the function of this one? Basic function, provide ignition. There may be secondary function. It's a aesthetic look, it's material, it's cost, how to reduce. These are the secondary function for these products. Okay. Also for cup also we can design with their utility, or for coffee mug is big, for children's mug is different. Like this the functions will be also changes, but main purpose is what? Hold tea or liquid. Next is this matchbox, simple matchbox without any what is the its function? Provide ignition. Okay, so friends, these are the examples which will clear you the functions, basic functions, and that must be, you must understood functionality, utility of that